Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an incoming package, you guys. This is from Lavish Laces on Instagram. So it's vintage laces and trims and treasures. So cute. And Gisela, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, picked out some goodies for me, and I'm going to show you guys. Look how cute. So she used like vintage little lace and paper piecing. This little fabric sample right here. So cute, little handmade card. And I'm going to open this with you guys. Ooh, some treasures. So fun. Besides laces and stuff, she sells other things like stamps and stuff, and this right here is paper. So this is Creative Expressions Distressed Shadows. So cute. So this is grays, purples, and orange. Oh, it's a paper pad. It's not just loose in there. Okay, so we got this fun gray one. I love the font in this. You can easily use this for Halloween. Look at this, the purple with polka dots. I'll go sideways. Cute gray. This one looks like very fall. You know what? I have a lot of fall projects I need to do, so I could totally use this for that. Ooh, I love this fun distressed checkered. Ooh, these are pretty. I love this purple one. Okay, and then it repeats itself, so you get 1, 2, 3 of each. That's very nice, because sometimes it's hard. It's like you have 2 sheets of something and then it runs out of one, and then you're like, I only have 1 left, versus this is 3. Look how cute. It's got these fun blue ruffle polka dot. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So it's got like almost like a crochet braid at the very top, and then the ribbon is ruffled at the bottom with the polka dots. So pretty. And then we've got this gorgeous, ooh, this is super soft. It's like a lacy material in blue, a gorgeous bright blue. And then we have this one. This one is silver. See the back side, and then it's got like a sequin, a silver sequin that goes across the center of it. And you can see like little silver flakes of thread that they used on the other part. So pretty. Okay, so that's a little blue one, and then look at this one. Got some black ones for Halloween. So she's got this gorgeous, this is probably like a 3-inch black lace. It's got like a floral detail. This almost looks like spiderweb right here. Kinda. Yeah, I can make it look like spiderweb. So pretty. Oh, gorgeous. Love this. Probably like a 1/2-inch velvety orange in like a bright orange. Love that. Look at this one. It's like a burnt orange, but it's almost like a I don't know what this is. Probably vintage, but it is super cute. Great for like all your fall projects, Halloween, all the things. Gorgeous. And then look at this one. It's like a fun, this green cord is braided in between these like knots. Oh, so cool. I love that. Neon green. Oh, so cool. Okay, we got those ones. And then we've got some Christmas colors. Christmas is literally around the corner, and it is scaring me to death. Okay, look at this. So we've got a beautiful, look at this red lace. It's thin right here, probably like about 1 inch, and then it goes to 2 inches right here. Gorgeous red. Ooh, look at this one. Tiny like little eyelet scallop. So dainty, so pretty. You guys can see it like that. Gorgeous. Okay, and then we've got a green seam binding. So pretty, perfect. I love seam binding. I'm obsessed. We've got this gorgeous maroon color seam binding. And then look at this fun. It's like a braided, I don't know what material, a braided rickrack, but in metallic red, green, and gold. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then look at this one. It is a silver, wider rickrack, metallic silver one. Ooh, so pretty. These are so fun. It's got some whites, and she has a bunch, you guys. Go look at her website and you'll see all the different ones. This is just some of the stuff she sent. Look at this gorgeous lace and like an ivory color. So pretty. And then look at this one. Look at these vintage laces, guys. And then we've got this white one. It's got like a solid stripe down the center. I love the look of that one. Let's see here. It is a scallop lacy, and it looks like a tiny little like flower rose on there. So cute. And then this one is definitely like a 4-inch in white, and it looks like little flower shapes. So pretty. I don't like, how do people make this? I don't know how. I don't have that type of talent. Not that she makes it, but somebody did. Okay, and then we've got some cute, look at these pastels. She's got this gorgeous dainty pink with like the tiny little eyelets at the bottom. She's got the yellow version of that, like a pastel yellow. She's got a pastel blue as that. Same thing in the blue. Gorgeous. These are perfect if you work with pastel colors. And then look at this fun, like crocheted purple, like a pointed scallop. Gorgeous. And then look at this one. Ooh, it's almost like a fabric. Look how cute. And it's got pink, pastel pink and purple, and then the green for the leaves and stuff. Oh, so pretty. I love that. Okay, and then she also sells that All Create brand. Look how cute this is. It's a scene of, it's in black. It's a scene of like a library, like, or a bookshelf. And it's got all these gorgeous, like, rainbow colored books. It's got little flowers and knickknacks, jars on the shelf. So pretty. A fun, cozy little library scene. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then there's another one. And then this one has like these gorgeous flowers. Let's see if I can kind of, like, look at this. So this one has like bases, and then that's the top of flowers. This is the center of the flower. Ooh, these are so pretty. So it alternates where like the photo was taken of the flowers, and it goes down the strip of this. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, and then she's got some creative expression stamps. Look at these. Oh Holy Night. Let me try to take this off so you guys don't see the glare. Oh, look how cute. Vintage Christmas, Oh Holy Night, Sleigh Bells Ring, Merry and Bright, and then Merry Christmas. It has the kids scene where they're under the Christmas tree. This one feeding birds. This one, the carolers are in front of the tree. And this one, they're on like a sleigh ride with the horse. And these are clear stamps, as you can see right here. Pretty good size. These are great for like the front of cards and stuff, or the inside of a card. That'd be really pretty. Ooh, yes. And I've been stamping stuff way more than I ever have, you guys. So I'm super excited. Oh, look at these. So this is that again, all on Create. Oh my gosh, this one says, I don't rise and shine, I decay and shuffle. And it's this lady holding all her, like, not voodoo, but the stitched up bunny, a bear, and a doll, and then the dog. Oh my gosh, look at the stitches details on him. So cute. You got the little window with the little spider in the corner and spider web. So cute. And then we have this one. It's a little fall one. Let's see if I can. It says, let it fall. Oh, this is like a thick material. Let it fall, let it rest, let it be, falling for cozy, falling for cozy. And she's got this cute little flower, autumn flower right here. It comes with the leaves and stuff, as you can see right here. Oh, she's so cute with her little beanie. Okay, there's that one. Look at this. She's got the Christmas one. So these are the little elves. This one has suspenders. This one's kind of wearing pajamas. Still wrapping, still lost. North Pole, it says elf employed. Oh my gosh, these are so cute and whimsical. Super cute. Here's the little stamps. Little guy's probably about 2 inches tall. Okay, there's that one. Then we've got a cute little angel one. So this one's the little angel. Her eye is a little flower. She's holding a candle. Peace on earth begins here. You got the little dove. Shine bright, little light. You get 7 stamps with this one. There she is. Super cute. I love that leaf too. That leaf dye in there. That leaf stamp in there. This one, you got like Day of the Dead style little girl. Both of her flowers. Both of her eyes are flowers. Look how cute. And this one comes with like a little like a mirror with gems on it, the little skull, a little flower with love and marigolds, and she's got like a crown. So much detail on this one. Okay, and ooh, see, look at that. There she is. Okay, so fun. So look at these. These are leaf. Wow, I don't know what they printed on, but it's almost like a oh, so a laser cut these out. It's like a very thick, almost like plastic. Look at these leaves. They're just the fun, bright colors. They've got swirl detailing on them, polka dots. Look at this, half stripe, half polka dot. Very fun and unique. Oh, look at this one, looks like a cactus. And they already cut, laser cut for you. No fussy cutting here. Look how cute these are, and they're all different style of leaves. These are super cute. Layer these up behind your project, flowers, all the things. I'm still tripping on like the material. I don't know what these are made of, but I like it. They're like super thick and sturdy. So these are called doodle leaves in color. And that's exactly what they look like. Somebody doodled them and they're so cute. Okay, and from the same brand, All in Create, we have Tropical Alleyways. Oh my gosh, yes, like this it's like, can you hear that? Like poster board. So look how cool. It's like water in circles. Look at this little town Take me somewhere tropical. This one's like a paint splatter, and then this town. This looks like Punta Mita. So cute. And then this one. Ooh, look at these beautiful places. Got this paint splatter. Eiffel Tower with a little fountain. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one's green and blue. Like, like how do you cover stuff up on these? So pretty. This one, oh, where are these places at? So pretty. Building. Jungle, suburban. Old town. That is super cute. So pretty. And these are like very detailed. Okay, oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sending me all these little goodies. You guys, that's just a snippet of what she sells in her shop. I will link her down below. You guys can go check out all the goods. Christmas, Halloween is all rolling in. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.